guys, welcome back to my page. Today I'm going to be just getting ready with you guys. I want to share a fun fact with you guys. If you are new to my page, hit that subscribe button. I do beauty videos, lifestyle, me and my hubby do a whole bunch of fun stuff on my page. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so I want to share something with you guys. I'm actually wearing a shirt on my head. How, Chinutay? How? Well, I put it on my, well, I don't believe you guys have voices like that, but you know what I mean. Just to add more to the theatricalness of what I'm doing. This is a t-shirt that I bought from Zara. I don't know if you can see it. I really like its print. And yeah, it doesn't fit right anymore because I've gained weight. I've gained so much weight. I'm out of control. This marriage, happy marriage thing, that was my excuse the first 20 pounds, and now it's like 40 pounds, and I'm like, what's my excuse now? You know what I mean? Anyways, this is probably like the biggest I have ever been. I didn't know how bad it was until like I stumbled upon an old video of mine, and I was like, my face was so much slimmer. Like, it's a huge difference. But anyways, alhamdulillah for everything. To join me on the journey of healthy eating, like, I need to stop this. It's just a mess. It's just tumbling into, I'm not. 40 pounds. I've gained 40 pounds. Wait, let me do the math. I think it's even more. So I used to weigh, calculator. Siri, where's the calculator? I don't have a calculator on my phone. Alright, so I'm trying to eat healthier. I'll have a new morning routine. Well, I don't even think I ever did a morning routine. I have a morning routine coming up. So how have you guys been? I'm so tired. I love you. Honestly, if it wasn't for him, I'd be such an emotional wreck. Like, honestly, get a cat. If you ever move halfway around the world and you miss your family, just get a cat. Just, oh, I love this fluffy ball. Oh. I love him. I was in a pool one day, and I think I was like 17 or 18 or whatever. I think I was crying. Yeah, I was crying because I thought I was gonna drown, and I remember when I was like, don't cry, you look really ugly when you cry. And I was like, as soon as she said that, I like snapped out of it. I swear, it was literally like a Kanye. I pulled a Kanye movement. It was so funny, and ever since she said that, I was like, shit. Does anybody have an ugly cry? Comment down below and let me know. Damn, I've been so emotional. I feel like, is this what adulthood is all about? I used to be so like carefree. Before I was in love, I used to just be like, Mila, what do you want to do? Let's go get burgers on the beach. All right, let's go. Literally, that was my day. Like, oh, let's go sit in the grass. Yeah, okay. Yo, ever think about life? Now that I'm in love, it's like such a mess. I feel like everybody changes, goes through like changes, but it's so funny. Like, the 18-year-old me would look at this and be like, dude, oh my god, this week has been crazy interesting. With my skin, basically went to this clinic and they scanned my skin, and in like this 5D, like, showed me the pores, my wrinkles that have gotten to like the 3rd stage where it's like past my epidermis, and I'm like, and it also tells you what your skin age is. My skin age is 26. Some moisturizer, and before I started filming, I put on some SPF. I learned a lot of cool SPF facts at the Avene headquarters, I think that's what it's called. It's so cool, like with aging and everything, sun damage. But I didn't know how severely important SPF is. So important, to a point where you need to be able to top up. And I'm like, bruh, my makeup is already withstanding wudu. My makeup won't withstand wudu and like SPF reapplication throughout the day. Like, that's not gonna happen. What the heck? Oh, there you go. So he's like, okay, what time do you wake up? And he was asking me so many personal questions. I'm like, what does it matter? But I realized in the end, he's counting like how long the sun protection lasts. And I was like, aha! Yeah, SPF is very important. Guys, go to the drugstore, pick up an SPF. I know the Body Shop has an SPF too, but their SPF kind of smells like alcohol. I don't know why. I think it's like drying, so be careful with that one if you have dry skin. But trust me, SPF is so important at home. Another thing he said to me, he's like, are you wearing eyeshadow? And you guys watch my videos, you guys always ask, why is my obviously around my eyes dark, but why is my lid really dark? And he's like, are you wearing eyeshadow? And I was like, no, that's my lid. Cool, it looks like I have smoky eye on. I love it. He's like, that's sun damage. And I'm like, when he said that, I was like, literally like, what? What do you mean? So he's like, do you wear SPF on your eyelids? I'm like, no. He's like, that's sun damage, and around your eyes, the most sensitive part of your skin. It's 3 times thinner than, or there's 3 layers of skin rather than 7 on the rest of your face. And I was like, I didn't know. I didn't know. Nobody told me. So yeah, you guys be complimenting me on my smoky eye. Little do you guys know that's sun damage. Everybody make dua for Amer. He's like, mashallah, the most amazing man in the world. I don't even know. Like, I know I deserve him because I've been doing a lot of nice stuff for people, and I've been coming across some crazy people that be taking advantage of me and shit. You know what I mean? Like, but I deserve him, all right? For the shit I've been through, thank you, God. Thank you. I never thought something so good would come across my path, because I've been treating people so well, and them crazy, like, people that just take advantage of me and just literally throw me under the bus and take advantage of my kindness that I've come across in the past 25 years. Wow, that's a lot of years. It's like ridiculous. I'm like a magnet for people that just come and want to like ruin my life. I don't even want to get into that, but I'm not gonna sit here and say I don't deserve like Amer, like I deserve an Amer, because I do. I really do deserve an Amer in my life. Like, it's, yeah, like the most hardest decision I ever have to make throughout the day is what foundation I'm wearing. Do I want something that's matte? Do I want something that's moisturizing? Something that's dewy? Something that's light, full coverage? Lip lock, lip lock, lip lock. I choose you, Pokemon Go!
Selfish. I like my women like I like my money. Green, little jealous. 'Cause I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess, but I'm funny. Oh, I'm a heartbreak bed with a stone cold neck, yeah, I'm charming.
I am really liking this yellow eyeshadow. Just gonna add a little liner. Am I gonna regret this? Maybe. I'm just going to finish off the look because I'm really liking the sheen that the lipstick has given me on my crease, and then I like the matte-ness, so we're going from sheen to matte. I really like that. And I did my eyeliner as thin as possible, just so you don't see eyeshadow and then just lashes, you know what I mean? I went in with the Lancome Absolu Precious Cell lip balm, wiped off all the makeup that's on my lips, and today I'm going to embrace my natural lip color. No lipstick. I'm going to keep it soft. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching this. If you would like to see more videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm always real with you guys. It's something that you will always get on my page. Subscribe and hit that bell notification, because I'm finding that a lot of you guys aren't getting to see my videos because you guys are not getting notifications. So just hit that right next to the subscribe button and it should tune you in for whenever I post a video. And until next time, guys, absolutely love you guys. And this lip balm smells so freaking good. It smells so good. But yeah, anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Mwah.